Deep-sea creatures coming ashore, a new alarm of disaster. Imagine walking along the beach and stumbling upon a creature from the abyss, a being so rare that it's seldom seen by human eyes. Recently, such encounters have become unsettlingly common. In this video, we'll explore the recent surge of deep-sea creatures washing ashore in February 2025. The possible reasons behind these mysterious events. What these occurrences might signify for our environment and future. Stay with us as we dive deep into this enigma. And if you're passionate about uncovering the mysteries of our oceans, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth explorations. Recent incidents of deep-sea creatures washing ashore. February 2025 has been a month of unusual and alarming marine events. Let's delve into some of the most notable incidents. 1. Oarfish in Mexico. On February 9th, beachgoers in Baja California Sur, Mexico, were astonished to find a live oarfish, a species often referred to as the doomsday fish, due to folklore associating its appearance with impending disasters. This elusive deep-sea dweller, known for its elongated, ribbon-like body, typically inhabits depths of up to 3,280 feet. Its rare appearance near the surface has sparked both intrigue and concern. 2. Oarfish in the Canary Islands. Just a week later, on February 16th, another oarfish washed ashore on the coast of Playa Quemada in Lanzarote, part of Spain's Canary Islands. The sighting ignited discussions and superstitions among locals and netizens alike. 3. Dolphin in New York City. Closer to home, on February 28th, a dead dolphin was discovered on Hallett's Cove Beach in Astoria, New York. This incident occurred just days after a pair of dolphins were spotted swimming in the East River, captivating the city's residents. The deceased dolphin exhibited signs of injury, and authorities are investigating the cause of death. Such occurrences raise questions about the health of our marine ecosystems. These events, while geographically dispersed, share a common thread. Deep-sea creatures are appearing in places they typically avoid. But what could be driving them to our shores? Possible causes behind the strandings. To understand this phenomenon, we must consider several potential factors. 1. Climate change and rising ocean temperatures. As global temperatures rise, our oceans absorb much of this heat, leading to altered marine environments. Species accustomed to specific temperature ranges may be forced to migrate, sometimes ending up in unfamiliar and hazardous areas. For deep-sea creatures like the oarfish, changes in water temperature can disrupt their natural habitats, potentially driving them closer to the surface and, inadvertently, to our shores. 2. Seismic activity. Some researchers suggest a link between seismic events and the appearance of deep-sea species near coastlines. The theory posits that underwater disturbances may displace these creatures, causing them to surface unexpectedly. A study investigating a mass stranding of Stejneger's beaked whales in the Aleutian Islands suggested that seismic activity might have played a role in the event. 3. Human-induced factors. Noise pollution. Activities such as naval sonar exercises and underwater drilling produce intense sound waves that can disorient marine life, particularly species that rely on echolocation. Chemical pollution. Runoff containing toxic substances can degrade water quality, affecting the health of marine organisms and potentially leading to strandings. Overfishing. Depletion of certain fish populations can disrupt food chains, forcing predators to venture into unfamiliar territories in search of sustenance. While these factors offer plausible explanations, the exact causes often remain elusive, underscoring the complexity of marine ecosystems. Throughout history, humanity has been both fascinated and frightened by the ocean's mysteries. 1. Folklore surrounding oarfish. Belief in Japanese culture. The oarfish is known as the messenger from the sea god's palace, and is believed to be an omen of earthquakes and tsunamis. While science has found no concrete evidence linking oarfish sightings to seismic events, these legends persist, reflecting our deep-seated connection to and fear of the sea. 2. Historical accounts of marine strandings. Ancient mariners' tales often recounted encounters with sea monsters, which modern scientists speculate could have been misidentified deep-sea creatures brought to the surface by storms or other disturbances. Such events have influenced art, literature, and mythology, shaping our understanding of the ocean's depths. These narratives highlight how extraordinary marine events have long captured human imagination, blending observation with myth. Modern science strives to demystify these occurrences through rigorous investigation. When a deep-sea creature washes ashore, marine biologists perform necropsies to determine the cause of death, examining factors like disease, injury, and environmental toxins. Based on the recent anomalies in deep-sea creature behavior, climate patterns, and seismic activities, the Earth could face several potential disasters in the near future. Here's an optimized analysis of what might happen based on current environmental trends. 1. Increased earthquakes and tsunamis evidence. Oarfish sightings and deep-sea disturbances have historically been associated with seismic activity. While no direct scientific link has been confirmed, changes in marine behavior could signal underwater tectonic shifts. Possible disaster: large-scale earthquakes along tectonic boundaries, particularly in the Pacific Ring of Fire, Japan, Indonesia, California, and Chile. Subsequent tsunamis that could impact coastal cities with devastating floods. 2. Ocean acidification and marine extinction evidence. Rising global temperatures and pollution have led to more frequent marine life strandings, including anglerfish and deep-sea species appearing in unfamiliar waters. Possible disaster: mass coral bleaching, affecting the Great Barrier Reef, Maldives, and Caribbean reefs. Marine food chain collapse due to the death of plankton, fish, and marine mammals, causing disruptions in fishing industries. 3. Extreme weather events, hurricanes, heat waves, floods evidence. Climate change is increasing ocean temperatures, which fuels stronger storms and extreme weather patterns. Possible disaster: super hurricanes affecting the US Gulf Coast, South Asia, and the Philippines. Heat waves exceeding record temperatures, leading to wildfires in California, Australia, and Europe. Flash floods from rapidly melting ice caps, impacting low-lying areas like Bangladesh, Florida, and Venice. 4. Rising sea levels and coastal submersion evidence. Polar ice is melting at an accelerated rate, and deep-sea disturbances could indicate shifts in ocean currents. Possible disaster: major cities submerged, New York, Miami, Jakarta, London, and Shanghai. Mass displacement of millions due to coastal erosion. 5. Deep-sea mystery, unknown biological threats evidence. The rise in deep-sea creatures washing ashore could indicate unknown oceanic disruptions, potentially exposing humanity to new biological hazards. Possible disaster: emergence of deep-sea viruses or bacteria that could cause new pandemics. Mass die-offs of marine life from unknown toxins or pollutants. My take on this is little differ from most people. While not every event will lead to disaster, current climate signals indicate a future with increased natural catastrophes. Rising sea levels, extreme weather, seismic activity, and marine ecosystem collapses are all potential threats. The best way to mitigate these risks is global cooperation in reducing carbon emissions, protecting marine life, and investing in disaster preparedness. So what is your thinking about this comment, and if you like the information you may subscribe and like too.